Firstly, I like to say that a black hole is not a hole and is not black in color. So basically, a black hole is an enormous amount of mass condensed down into a relatively tiny volume. So think about the density. Think of the density of water, of wood, or of matter. You could pick up whatever is the densest object on this planet, and still, you see that it has 99.999% of space in it, because each and every atom has nearly 100% empty space in it. So the figures of an atom you've seen everywhere is of a very round scale. Actually, in relation to the size of an atom, the nucleus is confined into a teeny tiny space at the center. So this is how an atom is. The stars, they're made of many atoms, and some of the stars are so massive that the atoms inside the core experience a huge amount of pressure because of the gravitational force. So you could think of a pyramid of humans. The bigger the pyramid was, the human at the bottom would experience the bigger pressure. So for a massive enough star, the inward gravitational force crashed the inside atoms so hard that the atomic structures are destroyed. So the electrons originally revolving around the nuclei would fall into the protons. So no more atomic structure, and we've got a dense bulk of neutrons and neutron stars. So if a neutron star is still massive enough, so there is more of gravitational collapse, and there are 3 quarks inside each neutron. So the point is the neutrons and then are made up of more fundamental particles, and because of the huge mass, huge gravity, and they all crash down into the smaller and smaller space, and the density is incredible, and now we've got a black hole here. Let's see how a black hole isn't black. No one has ever seen the actual surface of a black hole. Right here is the actual black hole. So mass causes gravitation, and a black hole is very massive, and I believe you've heard that even light can escape a black hole. So I set a range of escape distance for visible light. Here's the range. So here comes a light ray. It goes into the black hole and never comes out again. Well, light ray here would get deflected but goes away. A further light ray is less affected. So let's focus on this. So what about the light which comes to this very position? It neither gets zagged nor goes away. It goes around like this pretty much forever. But we can see this light because our seeing things is receiving visible light from them. So when you look at this black hole, all you see is a dark spot because this spherical volume of space is emitting no light to your eyes. So this is how you know you're looking at a black hole. So the bottom line, a black hole is an enormous amount of mass danced down into a incredible small space, and no light coming out of it.